Mr. Clifford moved to Florida in 1874 and began building his 4,500 square foot home in Eustis on January of 1910. The home was occupied by 3 generations of the Clifford family from 1911 all the way to 1983, when Charlotte Taylor Wilson passed away at the age of 96. Many volunteers and members of the Eustis Historical Society have operated a museum here for over 45 years. Now it is operated by the city of Eustis, which also hosts the GeorgeFest, which is the longest running festival in the United States. And we're going to have it again this year, so please come and see us. Now here at my channel, BryceLovesTech.com, I do love technology, but I also have a soft spot for these old Victorian homes. I just love the history. I love the idea that something is built to last, and it really is, and you really get the sense of how well built this house is. On a side note, I also love sailing too, and Eustis has a very, very impressive sailing club. They do lots of regattas, up to 60 different days of regattas per year. Now let's go inside the Clifford house and look around. There's so many antiques here to just take in. It's really neat, and they've got so much documentation and history here. I found all kind of neat books and ledgers and all kind of memorabilia that you can just pour over when you get here, which is really neat. And just to think that typewriter was considered high tech back in the day. Some of these ledgers date back to the 1880s, and these are considered the Excel spreadsheets of the day, if you can imagine that. Now later in this video, I'm going to take a drone and I'm going to fly it all around the city so you can see just how charming Eustis is. It's a lakeside community, and Lake Eustis is a very beautiful lake. Lots of sailing and fishing going on there, and lots of historic homes. If you go around Center Street, you can see some really beautiful historic homes there. But really, Eustis is dotted with lots and lots of historical and significant homes of the period. When the people named this town in 1825, Eustis, there weren't even railroads here. The railroads didn't come until the 1880s, so people used to ply the lakes going between Lake Harris, Lake Eustis, Lake Dora, and Lake Griffin. So water really is a big part of this community, and the lake is kind of the focal point of the community. What I find really magnificent about the Clifford house is every square inch is well taken care of. Now you can take private tours of the Clifford house, but you do have to go through the events department with the city of Eustis. So go to our website and you can get to the events department and you can schedule a tour. It is very, very interesting to hear the history of this beautiful, beautiful home. I'm going to continue the tour, but I'm going to leave you and let you just enjoy this. Please subscribe to my channel, and I thank you guys for watching. And I do have lots of drone footage of the city at the end of this video. Thank you again.